What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Letta Jean, and I'm finna show y'all how to change your windshield wiper blades. Because, ladies, you need to know how to do this too. Don't be trying to figure out when a man come do some stuff for you or trying to take some stuff to the shop and they charge you $150 or something to just change your own windshield wiper blades. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I already did one. I already cussed and all that stuff, so y'all gonna get the unedited version, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, make sure you grab the right windshield wiper blades. Okay, normally if you go to the store, they had a little book and you can see what your make and model of your car is and your year. Go across and figure out which windshield wipers are yours. So follow the instructions in the book, figure out what your make and model is on your car, and then you can change your windshield wiper blades. I have a 2015 Chevy Malibu, so I have Rain-X 24 for the driver's side and 19 for the passenger side. I already did the driver's side and did all the cussing I needed to do and angry stuff, and then it just happened so easily after that. So we finna do this right now. So first, you're going to want to lift this arm. And it'll look like this. And we're gonna be right here. So in this area. So there's a little latch on here. I'm gonna bring it down so you can see. It's a little latch. So it says up on there. So lift up. And then, hold on 1 second. So, pull this off. It's a hook. It's kind of tough, but you can do it. Okay. If you hear that, my son is in the background begging for lollipops. Alright, so here is the Rain-X Latitude windshield wiper. So what you're gonna have to do, it says if you have a difficult time popping this little cap up, use a quarter. So I'm gonna do that because it was hard to pull up for me. So quarter, pop that thing open. Get your hook. And push up till you hear a click. You better work right, because I got a million people watching me. I had a difficult time the first time too, but then it just snapped in place.
You already did the other one?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy is recording.
The light ain't on.
But it's recording.
Still here. I guess they're difficult, but it should just snap in place, which it shouldn't be this hard. Based on whatever car you get, or maybe I'm just doing this wrong, but keep trying until it clicks. There. So there. Now, if you got some, this little thing is gonna be on there. Take that off, and you're ready to go. So when you're done with all your work, make sure you test everything out to make sure it works. So we're gonna test them out. All right. So finna test it out. Let's see.
Oh yeah, baby.
Gerald.
Oh my God, your stink face is in the video. So that's it, y'all. That was really easy. Minus the little setback with the snap and all that stuff. But that's regardless of, not regardless. That's based on what kind of car you have. There are different options for the hook and everything. So just be sure you pick the right one, okay? Make sure you pay attention to which wiper blades you need for your car, okay? We can do this. You don't need a dude to do anything for you as far as these windshield wipers are concerned, okay? So y'all change your own windshield wiper blades. Be blessed. Love y'all.